channel. Today we are going to proceed to the next questions for the calculus, differentiable calculus question. Let's come, we start. Dy by dx is unknown. F question is given. F y is equal to x square root plus c 1 whole square. Find the value of dy by dx is y divided by x is a whole square root. Very interesting question. We want to prove this result dy by dx. We want to prove. Condition is given that. Now we start the solution. Y is equal to x square root plus c1. We are differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dx x square root plus c1 square. Now we have the formula. Is that one. If y is equal to x power n and dy by dx of this function is equal to nx power n minus 1. According to this rule, we are simplify this. Here the power is, this will be considered as n. Now we 2 into x square root plus c1 and 2 minus 1, and further derivative of this function we take dy by dx x square root plus c1. As we know that x square root is equal to, we can write x1 by 2. Now result is decreasing in here, 2x square root plus c1, we can write this will be 1, and dy by dx, look here, we can write this one is 1 by 2 in the further derivative of into 1 by 2 x 1 by 2 minus 1, and derivative of constant. This is also the rule of derivative of constant rule. So any constant, so the result is equal to 0, and here is we get plus 0. Now we arrange this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled to each other. Now we can write this result x square root plus c1 into this will be x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now further we can simplify this result, x square root plus c1. This is power is negative, and negative power rule is, we know that x any power is negative, we divide by 1 divided by x power, we change into positive. Similarly here we can change this result and 1 by x under the root, 1 by x under the root, we have changed this result by dx is equal to x square root plus c1 divided by an x square root. Now but we are required y divided by x, so the result is in here, y is given, y is equal to x square root plus c1 square. So now we are taking square root on both sides of this, so taking square root, x square root plus c1 square, this will be cancelled with square, we get y square root is equal to x square root plus c1. In the place of this result we substitute, and here y square root and x square root. Now this is the property of square root, we can write both terms and one square root, so the result will be equal to dy by dx is proved. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.